Imagine this. You check your bank account, and your bank app politely pretends it didn't see you. Yeah, that feeling. Now here's the wild part. That moment isn't rare. It's normal, and the numbers behind it, honestly kind of shocking. Today we're talking about financial statistics of the average person. Trust me, these aren't boring spreadsheet vibes numbers. These are the kind of stats that make you pause mid-snack and say, wait, that's me. So grab a seat, maybe guard your wallet emotionally, and let's dive in. Let's start with savings. Sounds responsible. Sounds adult. Sounds like something we all mean to do. The average person has less than $5,000 in savings. And that's not vacation money. That's everything. Emergency fund. Rainy day money. My car just made a noise money. Even more eye-opening, a huge chunk of people can't handle a $1,000 emergency ask-ruth without borrowing, swiping a credit card, or calling that one friend who always says, I got you, but pay me back. Basically, one surprise, Phil and the budget goes into witness protection. Now let's talk income, because this one hurts a little. The average person lives paycheck to paycheck, meaning the money comes in and immediately disappears like it had other plans. Rent, food, phone, internet, subscriptions you forgot about but are emotionally attached to. By the end of the month, the bank account is like, we had fun now. And here's the kicker, most people don't feel broke because they're reckless. They feel broke because life is expensive, and raises move slower than rent prices. Let's slide into debt. Ah, yes. The silent roommate that never pays rent. The average adult carries thousands of dollars in debt: credit cards, student loans, car loans. I needed it at the time. Loans, credit card debt alone. Many people carry balances that grow faster than their savings ever did. It's like running on a treadmill that slowly tilts upward while someone yells, just pay the minimum. Here's a stat that sneaks up on you. Most people have no clear idea how much they spend each month. Ask someone, how much do you spend on food? They'll say, not much. Then they check their bank statement and realize they've been personally funding the entire fast food industry. Coffee here, snack there. It's only $10. Turns out only $10 is extremely powerful when it shows up every day. Now let's talk retirement, because future you is quietly judging present you. A shocking number of people have little to nothing saved for retirement, not a little behind. More like, we'll figure it out later behind. The average retirement savings balance, it sounds big, until you realize it has to last decades, which means future you might be working longer than planned or living off vibes and coupons. Here's one that feels personal. Most people believe they're bad with money, but the truth, they were never really taught how money works. No one sat us down and explained interest, budgeting, or why buying now and paying later is basically time-traveling debt. So people blame themselves when the system never gave them a map. Now for the twist, and this is important. Despite all these stats, most people think everyone else is doing better. Social media says everyone's traveling, buying houses, living their best life, but behind the scenes, they're juggling bills, stressing quietly, and Googling how to save money at 2 a.m. You're not behind, you're not broken. You're statistically average. And once you see that, you stop feeling ashamed and start feeling curious, because small changes, when most people don't make any, suddenly matter a lot. So yeah, these financial stats are eye-opening, not because they're scary, but because they're honest. And if average is struggling, then mourning even a little already puts you ahead. Your bank app might still ignore you for now, but at least you know you're not alone. And honestly, that's the first step toward changing the story. Thanks for watching.